Hi everyone, this is Jim from Duramac. In this video, I will introduce
Allison 4000 series transmission products.
Allison Transmission is a global leader
in commercial and defense vehicle propulsion solutions. As the world's largest manufacturer of fully automatic transmissions for medium and heavy-duty commercial vehicles, and a renowned provider of fully integrated electric propulsion systems, Allison is dedicated to enhancing the way the world works.
The Allison 4000 series transmission products include
tags such as 4000, 4000 mH, 4000 Omega, 4000 P, 4200 RS.
The 4000 series was specifically developed to meet
the performance needs of heavy-duty vehicles that operate in demanding applications, including construction, energy, mining, and defense.
The Allison 4000 series offers 6 or 7 forward gears.
Depending on the model, it has a high power and torque capacity,
with ratings up to 800 horsepower
and joule-setting 60 pound-ft of torque. The 6 Gen Controls and FuelSense 2.0 technology offer enhanced fuel efficiency and performance, making it a reliable and efficient choice for commercial vehicle applications.
The control system includes a wide variety of advancements,
including enhanced technology, cybersecurity, and functional safety.
Allison automatics enable peak performance and fuel efficiency,
maintaining seamless, full power shifts that allow vehicles to travel farther in less time. This empowers fleets to achieve sustainability goals without sacrificing productivity and efficiency, all while using familiar hardware.
Allison Transmission's innovative technology solution uses
a unique set of software and electronic controls to deliver quantifiable fuel savings of up to 6%, all while maintaining the tradition of the Allison advantages of quality, reliability, durability, and productivity.
As an official distributor of Allison Transmission,
Duramac provides a range of 4000 series transmissions, offering reliable performance, efficient power transmission.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact Duramac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.duramac.com.